YouTube. Oh, shit. Too quick. DJ moved very quick there. My 1 minute candle there. Let's see if we can get this nice push up. Don't see why not. What you guys on YouTube looking at here today? What are you lot saying? If we break this sort of 164, 100 level, then the sort of 250s, 230s is easily on plays at that point. daily candle flips, I mean at that stage, got a lot of room to the upside. So if we get that, see a nice move here today. That's what I would expect. Yeah, because if we start creating support above sort of 230s level, then it's going to be an easy play at that stage. Yeah, we haven't even got the daily flipping yet. You wait till the daily flips. So you're going to see a monstrous move. Yeah, I think we'll be alright. I think we'll at least get up to this sort of 230s level. Then we're just grabbing more liquidity now. So hopefully head up. Really expecting GJ to push the start of the day today.
Morning.
Here he is, here he is. How you doing? What you doing, brother?
How are you today?
I'm very well, how are you?
I'm pretty fucking fine.
Good, good, good. That's what I like to hear, mate. That's what I like to hear. We've got hardly anyone on the YouTube again, but that's how we go. But yeah, no, GJ could be a good little flyer today.
Yeah.
Based on the higher time frames, etc. I would expect this to I think we can even push past sort of 400s. I think we're in a sort of good position. It just depends if it's going to pull back at any stage before continuing further. Sort of where I'm at. But I think for me, at least sort of 230s it's going to be an easy play, and then sort of anything up above that should be should get some nice continuation. To be fair. But But yeah, I think we can push to sort of 230s, 300s ish before I need to then start looking at, okay, are we gonna continue that move? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What's the YouTube saying today? Anyone in any trades or anything?
Have an idea for a song after listening to your favorites? Try Soundtrap, the online music studio by Spotify. Soundtrap gives you the right tools.
Don't want to get the copyright on that. I don't think it will be copyrighted because it's just advertising.
I don't know, man. It did that. There was the one time I let the adverts play was the one time I got copyrighted. Which is
But
annoying.
how the hell does it work?
I don't even know, but I don't really get it. That's what I don't understand. That's what I just don't understand. Anyway, GJ should be a flyer here. We should at least get to sort of 250s, 300s, I think. Now at this point. That'd be really nice if we can get all the way up to 400s. I mean, that's gonna be a lit one. Just want to be a little bit more patient. Just feel like we can at least get to them 250s. Should do, in my opinion. Well, we would expect it to get to sort of 250s. Yeah, and then sort of 370s is on, and then 400s, so we could see a real nice move here. There we go. Yeah, I'm definitely going to leave a little runner here today. We've got so early in the push that if this continues, then it's going to be easy plays. Oh, why'd you have to reflip, man? You gave me the vibe you were gonna go like a rocket then. As soon as I see 5 minutes start re-breaking highs, I was just like, yeah. Oh, there we go.
You are entered in a really nice position.
Yeah, I know. So if we just keep pumping up, might be able to trail stops on the 5 or something. Yeah, this should go, man. This could be a flyer. Right, I've just secured most of my position at this point, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put... Can't actually see where my break even is, you know. Yeah, this one, this quarter position I'm going to leave running for the day, man. This could be an absolute flyer. Yeah, I got in really down low because my whole point was if we then get up to the 230 level and then give me more opportunities, I can then sort of add positions based off my higher time frame analysis. So yeah, no, that's nice. Another win to start the week. Let's go. Yeah, I've secured up 75% of the position, and then gonna allow this one to run, because I mean I even had alerts at like 400 to get involved and we're not even there yet, so I've got all this room to look for sort of more entries, was where my sort of more opportunity was gonna come. Yeah, I would expect this. If this is going to continue up, then we could really push up for the day here. I mean, where I got in to where we're going could be a matter of hundreds of pips. So I'm definitely not going to be closing that out too early. I want to be allowing that trade to play. Because I mean, we got so much room. I even allowed for, if we come and create a target somewhere up and above 400, pull back, create support above the 230 level, then I would be going again with it up to 65 was my higher time frame sort of option plan. So yeah, in terms of take profit, probably gonna go with the 65 level, maybe even might even go with the 66 for the week if we're gonna just keep running. I'll put a 65.5 for the minute and just reassess it. Yeah, hopefully we get that run and continue, and if not, I've bagged up a good proportion of my trade. I'm just gonna let the rest run, do its thing. I think we could see a flyer today, to be honest. As long as we don't get any sort of heavy pullbacks, sort of taking the position out, then we should be alright to just go for the day, to be honest. But yeah, I'm not really looking at gold today. Gold's in a bit of a dead spot right now. Not really doing much as well. But yeah, if we create support above this 230 level, we could easily go in again. Have a fly here today. Did you have a good weekend, Donald?
Yeah, but it was fine. It was pretty chill.
Nice. Yeah, I had a bit of a chill one as well.
How did it go for you?
Yeah. So this weekend I didn't really do much, to be fair. I worked on Saturday, which was a bit annoying, but that's alright. Worked on Saturday. I had yesterday just little movie day and little chill day.
Nice. What did you see?
I watched on Netflix, you know, that Murder Mystery 2 with Adam Sandler in it, Jennifer Aniston.
Yeah, I've seen one, but there's a two about that?
Yeah, the second one literally just come out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I will see it tonight then.
You know, it was quite good, to be fair, I must say. It was quite good. It was decent, actually. I think it was better than the first one, I think.
Nice.
Yeah.
I really liked the first one, so...
Yeah, oh no, then you'll like the second one. I think the second one's better, I must admit.
Nice.
Yeah, was going to say with gold, I think if we're looking for options on gold, we're going to have to sort of allow some form of a higher support to start be forming, because structurally we're doing this at this stage. So in theory, I'm not saying we should sell it, but if we start coming back to these levels, this could be used as a low target. However, we've got to be very careful, because this is the area we could easily sort of change structure and then continue. So I think for me, I'll probably stay out of gold for the minute. I'm just waiting to see if this GJ is just going to keep fucking going. Because if this just keeps going and breaks above here, then 550s is on, then 65s on, then we're just, yeah, then it's just gone for the day basically. This would be gone for the day. And then my runner will do the mash work. The runner's gonna mash work. But yeah, after that big 30-minute clean candle, we should easily push up to 400s now, I think. But it's just what we do at 400s. That's the key. But yeah, I think for today, I mean, based on the daily, I had the, you know, the plan. If this daily candle flips, starts flipping bullish and creating support above this level here. So I got in much earlier, but you know, imagine if we pull up, create a target above here, then you can ultimately look to fill this wick, fill this wick. So there's so much room to the upside for the week. So like, if this position just keeps on running, then ultimately I'll be holding that for a while, because we're in a good position that if we're going to continue this move, I expect the weekly is going to just fill that sort of upside wick pretty quick. In my opinion, I think, you know, these wick fills up to sort of 65, 66 could come to sort of start the week. We've already sort of done the sort of little retest here of previous weekly resistance levels, so I think we're in a good spot for this to continue up personally. As long as we don't see some heavy ass rejections back to the downside, sort of maybe in this little area here, you could start to see pullbacks. But we've got to maybe allow for some pullback, because it's not just going to continue flying the way up. But as long as we're keeping structure, we'll just continue on our way. Right, I'm gonna go make a drink. I'm gonna leave it on that.
Okay, bro.
And then I'll be back in a minute. Right, yeah, I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
No worries.
Cool.
Soundtrap is the easiest way of producing music. Choose an 808 kick. Add some 808 bass with glide. Add some weirdness with this cowbell. And finally, let's pitch it down and reverb this barking dog. Make a song in minutes. Use Soundtrap, an online music studio that's easy to use, highly collaborative, and works on any device. Subscribe today and get a 1-month free trial. Soundtrap, your everywhere studio, by Spotify.
go. Yeah, I mean, if it's gonna come down hard without creating support, it's always gonna be from this 330 to 230 area which we were discussing.
Nah, bro. Played out from the beginning to the end.
Yeah, I'm just thinking, like, if we're not going down, if we're not gonna go up today, then this is where we're gonna respect, obviously. But if we are gonna go up, then we will create support.
No, I was saying an ad from Spotify played out from the beginning to the end when you were
The
gone.
ad. Oh, the ad.
Yeah,
Oh,
played
no.
out from the beginning to the end.
Oh, you're joking.
I didn't know what to do.
Oh, it's nothing you can do. If it copyrights me, then I know it's the ad. Do you know what I mean?
Because it went after the ad, it played a little some music after the. Anyway, if it happens, you can check the timeline where it's being copyrighted and see.
Yeah,
if
just
it's
mute
right
it.
or not.
Yeah, I can just mute it and do things like that as well. Yeah, 100. Gold. Yeah, I'm not really trying to play gold right now. Not after that heavy move.
I'm going to the bathroom for like some minutes and I will be back.
That's alright, bro. No worries. Yeah, YouTube is dead today. Oh yeah. If we start to create support back above this 230 level, now we start to form targets. We've got that little initial reaction. So I think honestly, for more entries, if this 5 minute starts to close above the previous 5 minute candle, could be worth a shot. If it can't close above the previous, then we may see a little bit of downside. But if it does close above that previous, then you probably have a good opportunity to then look to do something like this, continue this move, quite honestly. Yeah, because if we break through 350s, then obviously 550s is the easy play at that point. And then it's the same process. Once we're above here, we need to see support formed above that level, and then that is the target. But ultimately, like, this is the target for the overall highs. So I think 65 is a good target. I mean, yeah, I'm just sort of allowing this to play, see how far we can get. But my analysis for the day would be, I would expect this daily to at least close bullish. Maybe get the continuation tomorrow, something like that. But from where we were down here, you know, this is a very small movement to where we are now. It was kind of from the higher time frame planning. Support above where we are literally now would be where I'd be looking to. What's the plan for where I'll be looking to trade? But as you can see, we got in a bit earlier, so this may either allows me to look for more positions, or it allows me to what's the word? I forgot what I was saying now. But yeah, I said about this 5 minute, we can close above the previous. You've got a good option there if we can close above the previous. Because if we break through this 335 area, we're going up to 550s today. There's no problem. There's no doubt in my mind about that. But if it can't, like it's kind of what it's doing now, then this could just be a top wick for that new 15. So that's why it's really important to wait for candles to close. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I think you can get away with that. Just slightly closed previous, but the way that it broke the high and closed strong like that, I would say that's still a valid option, to be fair. But we'll see. Yeah, I would expect this to drive up. YouTube, you're not gonna get a hello? Anyone in the chat gonna say anything? Yeah, if we get this hourly, I mean, if we close above 330 by the time open comes in, then this is gone. Like this 550s would be easy at that point. But if it can't, and we can't do that, then yeah, we'll have to just sort of wait and see at that stage. Did look a solid looking candle, to be fair. I thought the way that, I mean, it did just slightly close above the previous. I have to wait and see. 1 minute just doing its thing. Ooh, that come down pretty hard actually. I'm gonna still expect this to drive up, because if we reject this 330 level, then maybe we ain't going up today, which would be a bit of a peak one, right? I would really have expected us to have a flyer today, to be honest. But yeah, a lot of times you can wait for a break or a high if you feel more comfortable to, you know, to see some form of a wick being formed. But obviously, you know, it's all personal preference. Very weak 1 minute candle there. This may come a bit lower. But my interest is where we are now. Just how are we gonna react to this 230 level? Because if we start to create lower resistance like this on the 5, it makes it very tough. But we've still got this last 5 minutes of the 15, last 5 of the 30, so we'll see. Still plenty of time to see where this goes. Don't want to be rushing closing runners for no reason. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you see this next 5 just coming up and sort of breaking sort of 258-ish, then this deal just it'll fly. Straight up, that'll fly. We get this last 5 driving up. Trust on that. If you're paying attention. Like, I would never take it like in this circumstance where it's like you get in off the break of that wick. I'd get in off the break of that wick. It's going to be much better. Because within here and here is the resistance on the lower to on the 1 minute. So that's where you're going to see rejections from. So you want to see that broken. Honestly, just can't get over how dead YouTube is being at the minute. Serious. What did I say? Hope you lot's paying attention. Even if the 5 minute can just close solid like this, still you'll just probably more than likely see open just continue that move straight up to the upside. Break the highs and we should see this could go beast, to be fair, in my opinion. Always have to chuck the older in my opinion in there. It's like telling people how to trade, just my opinion. Yeah, obviously this last 1 minute is really key to see how it closes. As long as it doesn't come crashing down, it'll be alright. So obviously the 5 minute closure is really key. But you're going to have to anticipate London Open is just going to basically open and drive and respect this support. But pretty much where we're at now, as long as this level is respected, then we will continue back up to these highs at 300s, 330s. And then if we see a 5 minute breaking above that, then you'll just probably get a continuation straight up to 550s. That's what we're looking at. But yeah, I'd like to see open. This is probably just going to fly, to be honest. I think open's going to do a mazza. Personally, I think it's going to do a mazza. What I tell you? What I tell you? I'm still convinced open do a matter. May need to make a little bottom wick, so don't get too worried about that. But in theory, as long as this is respected, this could be a flyer. But as long as this is a wick and not an upside wick to then start smashing down. Yeah, the only annoying things you'll be careful with is this area here is your fresh resistance. So take an entry somewhere here, you know, to play up to there. In here you're gonna have to be careful you don't start to see heavy rejection. Ugh. But if you don't, it should just break on through, right? Just a minor zone, a minor level. But yeah, once this high is broken at 340s, easy plays at that point. Oh yeah, there we go. See what I say? What I tell you? We'll go like a train at open. What did I say? Oh, thank you for letting me know. Oh, it's been a good day today. Oh, look at that, man.
GJ moving nice.
GJ is off, mate. I was just giving YouTube a little re-entry education as well.
Hey, nice. YouTube is going fire.
Yeah, today was actually too easy, man. Said didn't we 550s and we should be, yeah. Well, now the daily's flipped. I mean, yeah. But then I was talking about re-entries right over here. Those who are listening, those who rewatch are gonna love that. I spoke about adding positions here, using to push into this zone, see if we're going to break through with London Open volume. If we do, did I say 550s is on the play? But yeah, I'm just going to let this chill now. So I've got plenty of room to play with for upside. I would expect we're just off for the day, in my opinion. Especially if our 4-hour candle closes above 550s, by the if we don't reject this area, basically by the time of our 4-hour close, then I'll 100% be holding up to the sort of 65, 2-ish level. That would be my probably finished trade there, to be honest. That's if we don't reject in here before the closure. Because if we're going to reject, then we're going to reject in here, pull back, maybe create a wick in NY like this and then head up, which we don't really want that because we're up sort of a good amount of pips on. But yeah, so we'll see. But you know, we're gonna get a lot of, obviously on the way up we're gonna get not a lot of choppiness, but you're gonna get pullbacks. We're gonna get, you know, like between here and here, between this level and this level is always going to be tricky to trade, so I've no doubt we'll do this. But it's if we're going to break through, create support, then we're alright to keep doing this. if we start to see, like, let's say this candle here flips bearish and start doing this, yeah, then we can say maybe now we're not ready yet to break through this level. But you know, it's literally only been the first 5 minutes of open, and we've still got plenty of time to find out how this wants to go down. Do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm going to call it a day on the YouTube and that. It's been a good stream, so hopefully it's just a shame we're still not quite getting enough people in watching and communicating, but I mean obviously it takes a bit of time. But those that have been sat here, I do expect some more dialogue in the coming future. There's no point you sat there not saying a word. I'm saying, yeah, dailies made a little wick now, so it's really key if we can still basically respect 230s. But yeah, alright, cool guys, I'm gonna call it a day there. Thank you very much for coming on.
Okay, brother.
No worries, take care. See
Bye-bye.
everyone tomorrow.